Hello, I'm nutritionist Shivapriya from Lee Health Domain. Blocked nose, itchy throat or congestion? Here's a 3-step herbal routine that works on your daily basis. Step 1. Use Lee's herbal roll-on the chest, temples and behind the ears. It eases sinus pressure and also supports easy breathing. Step 2. Take Vasa Tulsi Syrup, a sugar-free Ayurvedic blend that smooths your cough, clear mucus and also supports lung function. Step 3. Add steam mantra to hot water and inhale for 5 to 7 minutes. The essential oils works to open airways and also clears the nasal congestion. Together, these three creates a powerful natural respiratory care routine. Wants to start using this kit at home? Just DM breathe and we will guide you.